I hope 2014 is as special for me as 2013 was. I didn't know how each film was going to do. Each film was so different from the other, each character, each role that I was playing. Um, it also tested me in terms of the amount of work that I was doing, because there was a point when I was doing Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, Chennai Express and shooting Ram Leela, all three at the same time. The only thing that you can do is to hope that the audience sees the same thing that you saw in that film, and you know that hopefully they'll enjoy it and feel for it the way you felt for that film. I think my biggest learning on this film was to not prepare, you know, because that's his way of directing, that's his way of filmmaking. um, he makes the film on a set. Yes, we have a bound script, yes, you have scenes and you have dialogues, but by the third or fourth day I realized that it's easier not to prepare. It's, I mean, of course you need to know what scene you're getting into, but in terms of dialogue, in terms of the way it's going to play out, it's really easier if you just go like a blank slate and allow him to kind of mold you. The name of my character is Leela, and I'm sure you figured that out by now. And it's a love story set in Gujarat. It's a love story set in Gujarat. What is special is that I haven't played a Gujarati girl before, and this is the thing. So I'm doing Chennai Express, where I play a Tamilian girl, and then I have Ram Leela, where I was playing a Gujarati girl, and there was a point, like I said earlier, I was shooting both these films at the same time. But yeah, Gujarati girl, Gujarati culture. The whole film is set in Gujarat, from the clothes, the language, the body language, all of that. And just the world of the film itself. You know, I haven't done a film that's so rustic and earthy. So that's the first time for me as well. But honestly, I think from Cocktail, I really learned that it's not about how many crores the film makes. Cocktail was not a 100 crore film, but I gained a lot from that film. So I think it really depends on the character that you're playing and the impact that you can leave. I finished shooting for it, yeah. It's called Finding Fanny. It's an English film set in Goa, and yeah, I just came back 2 days ago. It's already done. Three other people as well. I've had it with Ranbir, I've had it with Saif, and I've had it with Shah Rukh. So I think that's really a classic example of chemistry lies in the script. It lies in the dialogue. It lies in the way the characters are written, and you know, I think it really depends not just on, yes, a large part of it is your comfort level with your co-star. Personally, I'm the most comfortable in a sari. It's a lot of fun. I mean, I'm surrounded by mad people: Farah, Shah Rukh, Abhishek, Boman, uh, Sonu Smooth, as we call him, and Vivan. You know, so it's a lot of fun, and they really pamper me, because Vivan and me are the youngest on that crew, and Farah and Shah Rukh especially, they feel like all protective and like proud parents and things like that. So I think it's fun, you know. I can see that Farah's really kind of letting me be now on my own. She in the Dubai schedule, she said, you know, baby, in the first film I really had to teach you everything. I really had to tell you how to, you know, how to react, how to do this, how to do that. But she's saying now I don't have to tell you anything. You just manage on your own, and I'm really proud of you. So that's a nice feeling.